Welcome everyone for joining me to learn basic cybersecurity skills using fun exercises by Over the Wire. First, let's visit the site to learn more about how to get started. On any browser, type in Over the Wire Bandit and click into the first result. Then, click on level 0 to get started. For the first part, we'll be learning how to use the SSH command that allows us to connect to a remote server to start level 1. If you're on Windows, you can use PowerShell or Command Prompt. And for Linux and Mac users, use Terminal, which is installed with the operating system. Once your terminal is open, type in SSH and copy and paste the domain name from their website. Now we need to learn about flags. To specify the username and port for connecting to a remote server in the terminal, we use the flags -L, which stands for login name, and -P for the port number. Once you have everything down, it's finally time to hit enter. If you get prompted for confirmation, type yes and hit enter. We will then be asked for the password. Don't panic if you can't see any characters, as the password you enter will be invisible. For the first level, the password could be found on their website. However, for later levels, the password will be the value we'll have to be searching for. If you have successfully logged in, you will see the same output as me. And there we have it, you have successfully completed level 0. Now moving on to level 1, let's first go back to the website to read the instructions given to us. For this level, we're trying to find a file called readme that contains the password to the next level. We are also told the file is in the home directory, along with commands we might need to solve the level. But before I show you the solution, I'm going to go through 3 basic commands with you. The first command is ls. ls lists all of the files in the current directory you are in. This allows us to visualize what we are working with and is often used at the start. cd is another basic command that changes the current directory you're in to whichever directory you're trying to move to, allowing us to navigate to directories within our file system. Lastly, the cat command helps us visualize the contents of the file, perhaps even the password for the next level. After understanding the commands, I'll quickly show you how they are used and hopefully it makes more sense. First, the cd tool. Where I have highlighted is the current working directory we are in. So currently, from desktop, I want to navigate to a folder called examples. After hitting enter, you now see the changes in my current working directory. Next, I use the ls command to see what files are stored inside my examples folder. From its output, we see a text file called hello world. And for our final command, let's try read the content of the text file. Using the cat command followed by the file name, there will be an output showing us the content of the file, which if we were to open up the file would be the exact same. With that, you should be prepared for the first level. Give it a go yourself before I show you the solutions. If you are unable to solve it, don't give up. As you practice these commands, they will get less and less overwhelming, I promise. Anyways, for the first step, we'll have to use ls to see if the readme file is in the directory. Then, using the cat command, specify the file name and hit enter. For recording reasons, I can't show the password for the next level, but copy and paste this into somewhere safe as we'll need it to log into our next level. Congratulations to you if you are able to solve it without my help. But just as I play this quick recap about what we learned, please drop a like and subscribe if this video helped you at all. If not, leave a comment on what I can work on to make these more informative. Also, big shout out to Over The Wire for setting up fun levels like this for free. Please drop them a donation to support what they do if you have the time. And I'll see you in the next episode. Remember, a level a day gets you a job someday. Fingers crossed.